See now, next question. Practice set 2.6, question number 3. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. See, how many total trees there are? 150. There are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. See now meaning of this. Row and column, see here. This way, see vertical line, it is called as column. And horizontal line, no, this is called as row. Okay? See here. Now see here, one column, second column, third column, fourth column, sixth column, seventh column. This way there are columns. Okay? Okay, see here now here. Rows. First row, second row, third row, fifth row, this way. Okay? Now see here. What they say that the number of trees in each row is 5 more than that of in each column. Okay? Means how many trees are in each column? Okay, there are no trees in each row is 5 more. Means this way there are x trees. Here will be x plus 5 trees. Okay, this way. There are x plus 5 trees in each row, and there are x trees in each column. See carefully here. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that of each column. In each column there are x trees, and we should say that there are x plus 5 trees in each row. Okay. Find the number of trees. We have to find out now number of trees. We should say here. Let the number of trees in each column be x, and the number of trees in each row be x plus 5. Therefore, there are x plus 5 trees. Now see here how we are counting trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, this way, suppose 20. We are not counting this way. 21, 22, 40, 41, 42, 40, 60, 61, 80. This we are not counting this way. What we are doing? Simply counting number of trees in column and number of trees in rows, and we are doing simply multiplication. Okay? The total how much trees? There are 150. Therefore, what we should say? X in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. So, simple this. This way will be equation. Now we have to solve this equation. See now here, how to solve this equation? See, x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Mean total number of trees there are 150. Number of trees in each column x, and number of trees in each row x plus 5. Simple thing that we are doing multiplication only. Now see here, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x is equal to 150. This 150 will become here minus. Right hand side 150 no plus, it will become here minus. Then what answer coming? X square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Now see, there are two numbers whose subtraction is 5. There are two numbers whose subtraction is 5 and multiplication is 150. How much multiplication? 150. See here. Subtraction should be 5 and multiplication should be 150. Simple thing that 15 and 10. 15 and 10. How much subtraction? 5 and multiplication will be 150. Sign will be such a way that answer should come plus 5. Therefore, 15 should be plus and 10 should be minus. Now see here, therefore we can say x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Therefore, x take common, x plus 15 minus 10, see, this sign should be here minus. but we should not directly write 10 here. Okay, now we can write 10 directly because 150 and 10 are in same table, but sometimes there is no directly this number is in this table. Okay, that time we should think that we should write here such a number that by that number both number will be divisible and this number will be maximum. Okay, means it should be such a number that as large as possible and that number should divide both numbers. Okay, minus 10. 10, 10 cancel, coming x only. 10, 10 on the 10, 10 on the 10, 5 remaining. Answer coming 15 coming only. Because 15 tens are 150. Sign will be plus here. Don't write this sign here. Minus and minus. In division, both signs are same. Therefore, answer should be plus. Now we should write this way. X plus 15, other bracket, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, we should write x equal to 0 minus 15. Therefore, x equal to minus 15. Therefore, x will be 0 plus 10. Therefore, x equal to 10. Okay. But what is x? X is number of trees. Okay. But x is number of trees. Number of trees. Okay. Therefore, we should say x cannot be minus 15. Therefore, x equal to 10. X is how much coming? 10 coming. X 10 coming. What is x now? X means number of trees in each column. Therefore, number of trees. Number of trees in each column equal to x means how much? 10. Therefore, number of trees in each row. Each row. Number of trees in each row. How much trees are in each row? X plus 5. X plus 5 means now here 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. There are 15 trees in each row. Okay. Therefore, see now here 10 into 15, answer coming 150. Therefore, we can say that answer is correct. Number of trees in each column 15 and number of trees in each row 15. Total trees are 150. Okay.